Good morning, Wayfam from Budapest, Hungary on our way to Portugal.
I'm Ashley, this is Josh. Welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that bell so you can follow more of our adventures.
Let's go. As I mentioned, we are on our way to Portugal. We're going to Lisbon, right?
Yep.
And it is 6 a.m. and we have 3 flights to take on RyanAir. And we have 2 carry-ons and we're allowed 1. Let's give it a try.
Oh my gosh.
So, RyanAir has a policy. It seems like it's a new policy, I'm not sure, but it's printed out differently. And it reads, you can bring 1 bag on. You cannot bring a second cabin bag. But if you read the fine print, it specifically says, if you do not have priority and 2 cabin bags, it's an upgrade that you can buy.
Yeah.
And you bring a second bag to the gate, it will go into the aircraft hold free of charge. So, this could be a technicality, it could be us working the system, it could just be the way RyanAir works. Either way, we've flown with them before, and this is new looking. So, fingers crossed, we have 3 flights today, and I'm not sure how long it normally takes to get to Portugal, but today is supposed to last very long.
At least 13 hours. Sorry, it was cheap. Got through.
She didn't even look. That's what we're counting on. So another thing to note is that on RyanAir you don't get seats together unless you pay extra.
Yeah.
But we can still hold hands. Alright, we made it. Where are we at?
I think maybe Germany?
Okay, okay, we have 3 flights. We didn't pay attention to where we're stopping.
No, I think it's called like Nuremberg or something.
Nuremberg?
Yeah, but I don't know what country it's in.
Hold on. Yeah, Nuremberg. We have confirmed, in fact, that we are in Germany because Ashley got a pretzel. I was able to order in German, really bad German, but full German.
Yeah.
One thing we learned, however, is that you can only get past security 4 hours before your next flight, because guess what? Our next flight is 5 hours away.
Yeah.
So you're hanging out at the pretzel shop, and then we'll go through security.
RyanAir is a budget airline, so they don't move your bags from your flight to each flight.
Right.
You have to get your bags every time and then go back through security every time. So with 3 flights today, we need to go through baggage 3 times, we need to go through security 3 times, and yeah. It's
But
fun.
we're saving money.
And it's, yeah, we're saving money.
We'll check in a little bit. After 3 attempts to scan our passes and get into security, we finally made it. We just decided to wait until like is 45 minutes before our flight because it just every time we went back and it was like, nope, you're too early, and then we went back again like an hour and a half later and it was like still too early. So
it was
whatever.
fun. We ended up getting some work done in the cafe and it all worked out just great.
So on to Porto.
Yep, Porto.
And then to Lisbon.
Yeah,
Okay.
2 more flights today. Thank you.
It's all good.
Good to go.
It's raining out here.
Yeah, we have not had weather like this in a long time. And we're leaving it. Portugal's supposed to be so nice.
But in about 2 weeks we're headed to England.
Yeah, so the UK will probably be similar to this.
You think so?
It's cold.
Yeah, it's actually cold right now. How was the flight?
Yeah, good. I slept, I think, for 2 hours.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
impressive.
I put the little, that little tray down, and then just like laid on it.
Wow. Okay, so we do still have to get our bags because they were checked yet again.
Yes, but
And one other thing.
what's that?
Okay, so we were sitting on the tarmac before that flight, and they announced that the flight was going to be delayed for 30 minutes.
Yes.
And we only had about an hour and 20 turnaround for us to pick up our bags, go through security again, check into the new flight, and fly. Because we landed in Porto, we need to fly to Lisbon to meet our friend. So
we're cutting it a little close.
a little close. We got just about an hour.
Yeah, we'll be fine. We just have to check out, go through security again, get our bags, and get back to the gate in an hour.
Everything that you have to do to go on a plane flight.
But the sun's setting and it's beautiful and it's so hot outside
They tell you to arrive like 2 hours before your flight. We're doing a little less than an hour.
I'm not worried.
Okay.
We got this.
You want to eat too.
I know, I am so hungry.
No gate info yet.
Looks like they are waiting.
That's good timing for us then. Let's go. Okay, we got some takeaway. We're running to the plane now. Bags made it the third time.
I don't know what I was doing right then.
I'm so zoomed in right now. There you go.
Yeah, that like saved us €300. So worth. RyanAir, thanks a lot.
Yeah, thanks RyanAir for being rather lenient with your own rules.
Yeah, it's great. After 13 hours, we've arrived in Lisbon, Portugal.
What's the password?
Laura's back!
Hello! Welcome to Portugal!
Like we said, we are in Portugal now, and guess what? Our friend Laura is here with us. If you guys have been watching us for a while, or since last year, we actually spent time in the Netherlands and Paris last year together, and decided when we were in Washington this year that we needed to meet up somewhere else, and Portugal was our choice.
Yep.
So she is here with us for the next 10 days while we're in Portugal. You'll be seeing her in our videos, and we thought we'd show you around our new Airbnb.
This is the room where I sleep. It's really bright and cheery.
This is the room where we poop and take a shower.
This is the room where we cook, or just make coffee, really.
This is the room where we sit and relax, and this is the TV we haven't used and probably won't, but we have one just in case.
And this is a room where we get all our work done. We have a little workstation here, a nice little window, and awesome lighting.
And this is the room where we do the sleeping, just sleeping. That's it. So thanks to the guys at Nest At for giving us the Nest at Lisboa. This is a wonderful place. We're gonna have a great time here. And we have a lot of videos coming from Portugal soon, and Laura will be in all of them.
Yes.
So, you guys are welcome.
We'll put the link down below for you guys, so if you're interested in renting this Airbnb, and they actually have other amazing Airbnbs, so check out the link below. If you've never used Airbnb before, it's incredible, and we have a code down there, so you get $30 off your first rental, and we get $30 towards our next rental.
Nice
so
little mutual
it
agreement
helps
there.
us both. Yeah, so we're super excited to be here in Lisbon, and we'll see you guys in the next videos. I hope we encourage you to get out and travel. And how do you say goodbye?
I guess just ciao.
Ciao? I don't know.
Let's go with ciao.
Yeah, we'll learn.
Ciao.